Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, dual rear wheels, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, daytime running lamps, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.